After narcissistic abuse, I thought I had finally found a healthy relationship. He didn't yell at me, he didn't criticize me, he wasn't controlling, and because of that, I completely missed the red flags that were right in front of me. I want to tell you what that actually looked like. He was emotionally unavailable in a way I didn't let myself name at the time. Conversation stayed surface level. If something deeper came up, he'd step back from it. There were stretches where he just wasn't really there. Not gone exactly, but not fully present either. And here's the part that I want to be honest about. I was willing to accept that. Not because I thought it was good, because compared to what I'd just come out of, it didn't register as a problem. It registered as being peaceful. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see survivors make after narcissistic abuse, myself included. We confuse better than abusive with healthy. Here's why that happens. After a relationship that hurt you, your nervous system isn't calibrated to detect health. It's calibrated to detect danger. So the moment something doesn't feel dangerous, no yelling, no criticism, no walking on eggshells, your system reads that as feeling safe. And safe gets quietly upgraded in your mind to good. But the absence of harm isn't the same thing as the presence of connection. A relationship can be free of cruelty and still be free of real intimacy. Someone can never raise their voice at you and still never actually show up for you. Calm isn't the same as consistency. Polite isn't the same as being emotionally available. I didn't have language for that distinction at that time. All I knew was that it doesn't hurt the way the last one did. And after what I just survived, that felt like enough. I was willing to settle. But it wasn't enough. It just felt that way by comparison. If this is resonating with you and you have low standards for yourself because of the abuse that you've suffered, I want you to check out my self-concept reset, which is linked in the description below. It's going to help you to reevaluate your stances on how you feel about yourself. Okay, let's get back into it and try to understand what healthy actually requires. So if calm isn't the bar, what is then? Healthy relationships aren't defined by what's missing. They're defined by what's present. That means someone who's actually reachable, not just physically there, but emotionally available when something real comes up. It means consistency you can rely on, not just the absence of chaos. It means someone who's willing to sit in a hard conversation instead of quietly stepping back from it. None of that feels dramatic or chaotic. It doesn't announce itself as the red flags do, which is why it's so easy to miss when you're coming out of something that taught you to scan only for danger. You can spend a lot of time in a relationship that isn't hurting you and still isn't giving you anything either. If you take one thing from this, stop asking, is this better than my ex? That question will always say yes because almost anything is better than active abuse. Ask instead, is this actually healthy? Is this person actually here? Is this actually connection? Or is it just the absence of harm? Those are very different questions, and only one of them will tell you the truth. If this video has resonated with you and you'd like to learn more about healing your nervous system after narcissistic abuse or how to raise your standards, you can check out my community, Healing Me After We. I'll link the description down below. If you want to understand more about narcissistic abuse recovery, you can check out this video up here.